So welcome back. So we are going to try to connect the Shopify store to the print on demand. So we have ST, Shopify, TikTok, us. So we have different stores to connect: ST, Shopify, TikTok, us, World Smart, Print Pop Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrinterShop, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to try with one of my buyer ST shop, but Odi already signed me out, so that's why we can't use it anymore. So that's why I want to use Shopify. At least we can just create free Shopify account. So ST do not allow Nigeria to sell. So unless we want to bypass, so let's try to connect. So this is how we are going to get our store URL. Actually, click it by HB. So view your online store. So that's where we are going to generate our. Sorry. So normal we have share any design kankan bẹ́ẹ̀. So normal automatically nǹkan tó generate fún wa lélẹ̀. So just need to copy this. So connect. So ó ti gbé wa wá sínú Shopify store wa. Normal tó ẹgbẹ́ ST náà la fẹ́ connect mọ́, or any e-commerce platform tí Printify allow. So just need to install the app. So bàbá ti install. So normal ó máa wà connected automatically. It is my apps to print on demand. So I already had the app in the Shopify store. So we have 15 days trial. So till April April 25. So we only have 3 days, not 15 days. So I think Shopify is using 15 days before. So what did the 3 days by you? So within that 3 days, I'll complete the class. So make sure you don't miss any training, so that you want to have more understanding about this. I'm sorry about the network. Now we want to customize our Shopify store. So normal ká ní àti add àwọn product ni, so this is where we are going to see the product tá bá ti add ẹ̀ tán. So normal automatically ó máa wà nínú product ní Shopify náà, so ó máa wà nínú Printify as well. So àti add the product, so kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe níbí. So we want to customize our Shopify store, so online store. Maybe it's network. It's okay, frustrated I feel. So I already done this before. So tó bá ti connect bí àti need láti lọ máa, tó bá connect ó máa gbé wá ní òkè báyìí. So ẹ jẹ́ kó load. So can you see Shopify ó ti gbé logo Shopify wá, so that means pé ó ti connected, ó ti wà connected. So let's check connected. Can we see? So here on Printify you can add more than store. Ẹ̀rí pé nígbà tí mo click lórí bí ó ní manage my stores, add a new store. So once we are add a new store, any design tá bá ń normal ẹ̀rí pé bí báyìí orí Shopify là wà, ká lá add another platform mọ́. So you can just come to manage my store. So any store tá bá ti connect, so ó máa gbé wá. So just need to click on it. Let me check here. Visit store. So each on my list basically. So let's go to Canva. So I have a Canva program using. You can use Pro, you can use normal Canva, which is free. I have some other browser tó yẹ kí mo ti log in sí, but kó má dàrú mọ́ wa lójú. So let me try to log in. So this is my first time using this app, so I would have paused it, but I don't know where to pause it.